Good morning. Welcome to Rachel's Wake and Bake. Today I'll be making 30-minute buns. This recipe barely has any wait time. So the first ingredients we're going to add is 1 cup of warm water, 2 tablespoons of yeast, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. We are just going to mix that well. And we're just going to let that sit for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, it's been about 3 minutes. We're going to add the rest of our ingredients. We're going to use 1 egg, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 3 cups of all-purpose flour. And I'm just going to attach that to my mixer. Just going to mix on medium until it forms a nice soft dough. Okay, once it's mixed, I'm just going to take it out of the bowl. Just eat it for a couple of minutes here. We're just going to let this rise for about 3 minutes. That's all it takes. And we're just going to cover it and put it in a nice warm place. Okay, it's been about 3 minutes. Just going to take my dough out. And I'm just going to push it down a bit. And I'm going to cut my dough into, I'm thinking about 8. This should make 8. You can do 6, you could do 10. It's up to you. They're not going to be perfectly equal. So we're just going to roll these. And these will make delicious hamburger buns. Okay, I'm just going to brush these with some scrambled egg. And I'm just going to add a little bit of cheddar cheese to these. You don't have to put anything on them. You could put sesame seeds, any kind of cheese you want. And as soon as it's ready, that's all the rise time these will need. And these should only take about 11 to 12 minutes. So these baked for about 13 minutes. These are still hot. I'm just gonna cut. Ooh, the steam is. Oh my goodness. These turned out amazing. 30 minutes. And you've got nice, hot, fresh buns. The longest wait time was waiting for my oven to reach 400 degrees. Perfect.